are you? Hope you are okay. Today we were talking about natural logarithm. Let's begin. Without using calculator, find the value of e power half ln 9. At the first, we need to know ln e power x. ln will e inverse for both. So here ln will cancel the e together. I will write only الباور اللي هو الاكس. الاكس ده ممكن يبقى x 2x x square anyone or 3 or number. It's mean يعني الباور. And if I have e power ln x the same, it will cancel together. I will write only number of ln. It will be x. تعالوا نطبق هنا. e power half. طيب miss, we have here half before ln. طيب we have a power law. We need to write it as a power. It will be the same if we wrote it like this. Half. لأنها power law. So I know in 9 power half it's mean a root, square root for 9, it will be 3. So e power ln 3, it will cancel together from this one, so L will be only 3. That's it. Next. E power negative ln half, it will be the same. I will write a half as a power here. It will be e power ln half power negative 1. ln will e cancel together, it will be half negative 1. لأن الباور negative I will flip it, it will be 2. That's it. Question to solve. ln e equal 15. Okay, it's very easy. ln with e will cancel together. I will write only x. And the ln cancel the e because إن هما inverse. So it will be 15. That's it. How we can solve it? E ln x, I will write a negative here up as a power تبقى negative 1 equal 3. I know in the ln will e cancel together. I will write the only number of ln and x negative 1 power negative 1 equal 3. Because I have a negative power, I will flip both. So x equal 1 over 3. I will flip لأن I have negative power is a negative, or I can say right يعني إن ال x power negative 1 over x equal 3. You can use a scissor. الطريقتين صح. Next. Solve given your answer correct to 3 significant figures. Here. e power 2x equal 25. Okay. هنا I don't have a ln ولا ال e يعني ال ln وال e مش موجودين never ever, so I will write a ln اللي هو natural logarithm for both sides. I will use a ln for both sides. تبقى ln e power 2x equal ln 25. I know in the ln will e cancel together, so I have 2x only write الباور equal هننزل السايد زي ما هو ln 25. To get the value, solve this one يعني I need to get the value of x. It's mean I will divide it by 2 for both sides لأن هنا relation هنا multiplication والinverse multiplication division. So after that cancel يبقى x equal ln 25 over 2. نجيبها بالcalculator, but don't forget 3 significant figures. To use this one, I don't have a ln, I have only e, so we will take a natural logarithm for both sides. تبقى هنا I will write it ln e power 2x negative 3 equal ln 16. Don't forget the ln for both sides, not only one side of them. So I know the ln will e cancel together. I have only the power of e, so I will write it down 2x negative 3 equal ln 16. So here I have negative 3. I will pass it in other side. هي negative تروح بالpositive تبقى 2x equal ln 16 plus 3. I have here 2 multiplication, inverse division for both. Cut x equal ln 16 plus 3 over 2. Write it in calculator. Don't forget 3 significant figure. Is Okay. Next, solve given your answer in terms of a natural logarithm. يعني هنسيبها بالنatural باللن مش هنجيبها بالcalculator decimal or any number. Here e power 3x equal 7. So to get the x, it's mean I will use a len for both sides. يبقى len e 3x power 3x equal len 7. I know. Cancel together, write the power down. 3x equal len 7. Multiplication, inverse division by 3 for both sides. Cancelled, I have len 7. So here I will keep it like this because he said natural logarithm. e power half x plus 3 equal 4. طيب اللين for both sides على طول ليه؟ لأن هما بيكنسلوا بعض عشان نجيب الفاليو للإكس. أوكي تبقى ln e power half x plus 3 equal ln 4 not 4. So cancel together half x plus 3 equal ln 4. 3 other side بالinverse sign half x equal ln 4 minus 3. After that I have 2, it's a half. I can multiply it by 2 for both sides. I will multiply here by 2 and here multiply by 2. It will cancel together. يبقى x equal 2 brackets ln 4 minus 3. You can keep like this. ممكن نسيبها كده لأن هو قال terms in natural logarithm. e power 5x negative 2 less than or equal 35. Here we will write the ln for both sides. ليه؟ لأن هما بيكنسلوا بعض فاحنا هنكتب ln for both sides. يبقى ln e power 5x minus 2 less than or equal ln 35. Don't forget the ln for both, not only one side. cancel يبقى عندي 5x negative 2 less than ln 35. negative 2 go to other side بالinverse sign. هي نيجاتيف تبقى بوزيتيف تبقى ln 35 plus 2. I will divide it by 5 لأننا multiplication. Okay. cancel x less than. I can write it as it's 1 over 5 وأعمل brackets ln 35 plus 2. الاتنين صح. Okay. Letter C 5e power 2x plus 3 less than 1. Okay, solution. Here I have a 5 e power 2x plus 3 less than 1. I can divide it by 5 because I need it to be in the symbols to form يعني ال e لوحدها أو ال n لوحدها if we have a line. Both cancel يبقى ال e power 2x plus 3 less than 1 over 5. After that, to get the value of x, it means I need to use a ln. So ln for both sides here, I will write it direct يبقى 2x plus 3 less than ln 1 over 5. أنا ما عملتش ln e power 2x، عملتها مرة واحدة، أخدت الباور كتبت الباور مرة واحدة less than ln 5. طيب كده هل احنا كده خلصنا؟ No, we need to get the value of x. It's mean 2x plus 3 less than ln 1 over 5. I have here positive 3 and other side will be negative 2x less than ln 1 over 5 minus 3. After that we have a 2. We will divide it by 2 for both sides. Divide it by 2 or we can multiply it by half. It's the same يعني. So by 2 cancel and this is by 2. يبقى x less than we can write it as it half ln 1 over 5 minus 3. That's it. Question 6, letter A. Solve and given your answer correct to 3 significant figure. Okay. Here I have ln x equal 5. It's okay. It's mean we need to write e for both sides. E power ln x equal e power 5. E for both sides. Ln cancel the e together. X equal e power 5. Get it by using calculator. Don't forget 3 significant figure. Len x minus 2 equals 6. So to get the value of x, it's mean I need to convert it to be exponential function. E power len x minus 2 equal e power 6. So cancel together, x minus 2 equal e power 6. To other side, x equal e power 6 plus 2, get it by using calculator. Question 7. How we can solve this one to get the value of x? I have here for this side len minus len. Minus it's mean division law. And here too it's mean power law. So we can write it as it len x plus 2, all of them square, and here x equal len 2x minus 1. This is division law, this is power law. After that, I will write it as an exponential function. It's meaning e for both sides. Cancel together, I will write only the number of len. So x plus 2 square x equal to x minus 1. Write it in a simplest form. This is very easy to solve this. So x squared plus 4x plus 4 equal 2x squared minus x. This and expanding and write simplest form for this one. I will write it in only one side. So go to other side with inverse sign. 2x squared minus x squared minus 4x minus x minus 4 equals 0. 2 minus 1 x squared minus 5x minus 4 equals 0. By using calculator you will get two values for x. One of them positive and the other will be negative. So when you get this one, write inside this cancelled because we don't have any negative sign for len. If you substitution about this one, it's cancelled. Letter B. Len 2 plus x squared equal 1 plus 2 len x. That's okay. We will use the e for both. But here I have a power law. So we can write as 1 plus len x squared power law. After that we will use e for both sides. So it will be x squared equal e power 1 plus len x squared. If you remember, if I have x power a times x power b, it will be, I have the same base, it's been in multiplication case, we will add the power together. And here he uses one addition, so we can split it as a multiplication, e power 1, we don't need to write it 1 but it's okay, times the e len x power 2. And I have here 2 plus x squared. Len cancel the e, so it will be e and x squared. Write this down. Okay, how we can get x? Let the x squared on only one side to take it as a common factor. 2 equal e x squared minus x squared. After that, I can take x squared as a common factor to be like this. 2 equal x squared. Here I have only e. So what this is e minus 1 because here I have negative x squared. When I take it, I have only negative 1. So to get x squared, I will divide by e minus 1 for both sides. Cancel x squared equal 2 over e minus 1. As a square? Yes, so we will take a square root for both sides, but in a square root it's a positive or negative, but here we will take only positive. because we don't have any negative for ln. So x equal square root 2 over e minus 1. Use a calculator to write it by 3 significant figures. That's